What is up, guys, and welcome to our course on 1 hour Python. My name is Nimish and I'll be guiding you through the next hour in which you'll learn the fundamentals of the programming language Python. Our learning goals are to, of course, learn to write and run Python code. The entire course is aimed at providing you with knowledge of the fundamentals, so you should be able to write and run at least something in Python code by the end. We'll learn the fundamental components of the Python programming language. These will be the core parts that make up every single Python program. We'll learn how to store and manipulate data with Python. Through the use of different kinds of variables, operations, collections, and functions, we should be able to at least store data and update it depending on logic in our programs. And then finally, we'll learn how to create and use custom data types with Python. So what do you need going into this course? Well, actually, there are no prerequisites. There is no requirement for having any kind of coding experience. We're going to be approaching each topic as if you have never explored it, and we'll teach you each concept from a complete beginner's standpoint. We do expect that you are willing to learn quickly and to try stuff on your own. Our goal for this course is not to dive deep into any one topic and provide a completely comprehensive overview. Really, we're just trying to fit as much content as we can into 1 hour. So that means that you will likely have to expand upon the concepts yourself and practice and try stuff. After all, the best way to learn programming is to actually just go ahead and do it. We recommend that you use Visual Studio Code, as that's what I personally will be using to write and run the code. If you really don't like that program, that's fine. You can use a different system. Just make sure that you have it set up properly. What topics are we going to be covering? We'll start with a general intro to Python. This will just be a few minutes in the slides talking about the language itself. Then we'll install some Visual Studio Code add-ons, and we'll teach you how to run Python code in that. We'll talk about variables and operations, and then about collection types such as lists, dictionaries, etc. We'll then get into logic with if statements and loops. This will be while and for loops. Then we'll move to functions, and we'll finish up with classes and objects. Okay, again, our goal is to teach you as much as we can in just 1 hour, so let's get started right away. Thanks very much for signing up for this course. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start by learning about the Python language.